Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Motorola is preparing an announcement right after the holidays. What is known about the next Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 flagship? While everyone's finishing their Olivier salad, Motorola is teasing its signature monster, coming with the most advanced smartphone characteristics. Let's dive into the video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. While we're trying to recover from New Year's Eve and finishing last year's salads, the smartphone industry isn't even thinking about resting. Motorola decided to add some intrigue to this lazy weekend. The company's International X account, formerly Twitter, posted a meaningful teaser with the official launch date of January 6, 2026. What's behind this date? Apparently, we're in for a double whammy. The brand's Chinese division is already heavily promoting the X70 Air Pro, while the global office is hinting at the Edge 70 Ultra, or perhaps the start of an entirely new signature line. Insiders are certain that it's the same smartphone, just with different specifications, for different markets. And judging by the leaked specs, it's going to be a real beast. The main highlight is the hardware. Rumors suggest the new device will feature the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, which Qualcomm announced in late 2025. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and the latest Android 16, this device promises to fly faster than a champagne cork. The display is also impressive, a 6.7-inch, approximately 17 cm, OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Price and availability. Motorola, owned by Lenovo, has officially curtailed its operations, but thanks to parallel imports, new products will appear weeks after their global launch. The global version of the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra, traditionally, will be more expensive. The price tag can reach around $1,400. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.